During the hearings, Harrouff's attorneys called out Martin County Sheriff William Snyder, who before the case and before the formal charges were filed suggested that perhaps drugs were involved. It turned out that was not the case. Our News Channel 5's John Shainman had a chance to talk with the Martin County Sheriff today. Here's his report.
After Wednesday's court hearing, Austin Harrouff was taken back to the Martin County Jail, where the sheriff says he's caused no problems since he was first incarcerated. But Harrouff's defense said today it had problems with the sheriff.
There's an avalanche of rank speculation about excited delirium.
Sheriff William Snyder said nothing a defense attorney says in a courtroom surprises him, and he took no issue with the comments.
Defense attorneys do what defense attorneys do, and that is try to see their client walk away from the charges.
He says, I think I'm not going to speculate, except to say people on bath salts do the following things.
The sheriff says he was asked many times by the media about the potential situation surrounding the Harrouff case, and says his policy is to balance the need and the right for society to know what's happening with being careful about not tainting a jury pool.
I always do my best to answer the question directly, and we'll let the jury sort it out after that.
I asked the sheriff if he has any interest in seeing the Dr. Phil tape. He said no.
I know what I saw. I saw that scene. I know what some of the lab results have come back. So for me to try to watch a theatrical piece on Dr. Phil does not intrigue me.
The sheriff again telling me this was a very intense, complex, and violent scene, and so he had to be very careful and create a real balancing act when he was releasing information to the media. We're live in Martin County. John Shainman, WPTV, News Channel 5.
The story not over by a long shot. We continue to effort reaction from people associated with the case. We'll keep working that. We'll keep an eye on the appeal and the ultimate release of this video, and we'll post any new developments immediately on our webpage. So keep an eye out both on air and online, WPTV.com, for the very latest on this case.